नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद. First of all, I greet you all with the greeting of Islam, saying Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Faiza Abdul Samad. My father's name is Mufti Abdul Samad Qasmi. Brothers and sisters, today I want to speak here before you on the topic of injustice. So please listen to me and abide by the orders of Allah. You know very well that Allah is all powerful. Allah is great. So all His belongings, all His orders and all His attributes should be great. As a matter of fact, Allah orders all humans to do justice to one and all. So this order should be greatest. On the contrary, Allah orders to be away from injustice. Allah explains in the Holy Quran, Inna Allah ya'muru bil adli wal ihsan wa ita'i zil qurba wa yanha 'anil fahsha'i wal munkari wal baghi ya'izukum la'allakum tazakkarun. Allah, the omnipotent Lord, orders justice, charity, giving poor dues to near and dear ones, and He prohibits adultery and atrocity. Brothers, alas, today our society is full of sins, full of injustice, full of corruptions. No one is ready to erupt crimes. No one is ready to uproot them. No one is ready to end. No one is ready to nip them in the bud. Brothers, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has said, "Az-zulmu zulmatun yawm al-qiyamah." Injustice will be darkness upon darkness on the day of judgment. The Urdu poet Saadat Yar Khan said, जुल्म की टहनी कभी फलती नहीं, जुल्म की टहनी कभी फलती नहीं, नाव कागज की कभी चलती नहीं. All sins are injustice. Cheating is injustice. Atrocity is injustice. Bribery is injustice. Al-hukumatu tabqa bil-kufr wa la tabqa bil-zulm. The power remains with disbelieving, but does not remain with injustice. May Allah make us just and fair in all walks of our life. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.